So we will discuss capacitance. What is parallel plate capacitor? It consists two plates, means conducting plates, two conductors of any size placed nearby, and both conductors are called as plate of the capacitor. They have equal charge in magnitude but opposite in sign. Between plates oftenly dielectric is filled. Suppose K is filled. First plate is connected to electric source and the second one is connected to the earth. Let distance between plates is D and area of each plate is A, 1 and 2 plate. Now electric field between plate will be Q upon K epsilon naught A. According to definition of potential gradient, E equal V upon D or V equal E. So we put the value of E here. V is equals to Q into D upon K epsilon naught A. By definition, C equals Q upon V. By putting the value of V, we get the formula of C equals K epsilon naught A upon V. If there is air between plates, then value of K will be 1 and the formula will be epsilon A upon D. K is 1. So C naught equals epsilon A upon D. This naught show that there is nothing between the plate. It is air only. Thus we can say that capacitance is directly proportional to A, inversely proportional to D and directly proportional to K. Thus when dielectric is filled, then capacitance of capacitor is increased and becomes K times to the capacitance in air. Now we will discuss the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor when a slab or a strip of dielectric substance is placed between the plate. Let a dielectric slab of thickness T of dielectric constant K is placed between the plate. Then we will find two electric fields in air and in slab. In air, Q upon epsilon A in D minus T region. D minus T region. And in slab, Q upon K, we will use the dielectric constant K epsilon naught A in T region. So potential difference V equal E into D distance means region, E1 in D minus T plus E2 into T, and putting the value of E1 and E2, we will get the V and put the value of V in the formula C equals Q upon V. Q upon V is this. Q will be cancelled out, so capacitance will be equals C naught A epsilon A upon D minus T plus T upon K. It will be the dielectric slab when placed between the dielectric slab placed between the plates, then capacitance will be epsilon A upon D minus T plus T upon K. Here are some special cases. First is when air is filled between the plates fully, then T will be 0, slab is absent, and when here is fully filled with dielectric, fully dielectric, then thickness of slab will be equals to D, and if this slab is made of metal, then K will be infinite. For metal we will use, these are the special cases.